Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Lily and Max English. I am Lily, and I am so incredibly happy you are hanging out with us today.
And I am Max. Welcome back, guys. Wherever you are right now, grab a nice cup of coffee, go for a relaxed walk outside, or just sit back on your comfortable sofa. We are your digital companions, and we are here to practice some easy, natural English with you today.
Exactly. And today, oh boy. Max, you look like you have a really funny story to tell us. I can see it on your face.
Oh, I absolutely do. So you have to listen to this. This morning I was at my favorite local coffee shop, just waiting in line. And this girl walked in. Lily, I am not joking. She looked exactly like a famous movie star. She was wearing this perfect long coat, her hair was blowing in the wind, and she had these big, stylish sunglasses. Every single person in the coffee shop stopped talking and looked at her.
Wow. Okay, so you were definitely staring at her too.
Well, yeah, I am only human. She completely caught my eye. I was even thinking, wow, maybe I should go say hi to her. But then it was her turn to order.
Oh no, I feel like something bad is coming.
She got her coffee, took one tiny sip, and just started shouting at the poor barista. She was yelling, "Ugh, why is this so hot? This is terrible. You completely ruined my morning." She was so angry and just so incredibly rude.
Oh, that is so disappointing. Let me guess, the movie star magic disappeared?
In one single second, suddenly her attractiveness dropped to completely zero. I did not want to talk to her at all. I just wanted to leave.
Max, you only care about pretty faces at first. But honestly, I 100% agree with you. It happens so fast, right?
Right, which brings us to our exciting topic today. What makes someone truly attractive? Is it a perfect face and perfect clothes? Or is it that confident, relaxed vibe? Tell us what you think in the comments down below. Beauty or a good vibe?
Yes, please leave a comment. We love reading them. But before we start our chat, hey, listen to me for a second. If you are learning English right now, I want you to take a deep breath. Inhale and exhale.
That feels really good.
This is a zero pressure podcast. We are speaking simple, everyday English today. If you do not understand every single word, please do not worry. Do not feel stressed. Just stay with us. Listen to the emotion. Laugh with us. And let the English flow into your ears naturally. Just treat us like two good friends talking in your living room.
Exactly. And do not forget, stay until the very end. We have our special chill word tour, where we will gently practice some really useful daily phrases from our chat today.
Sounds perfect. Let us get into it. So, Max, let us be real for a second. Good looks do matter at first, right? We cannot lie about that.
Oh, totally. If someone is beautiful or handsome, you look at them. It is perfectly natural. They get your attention immediately, but staying attractive, that is a completely different story.
Yes, because you cannot just look at someone forever like a painting. Eventually, you have to talk to them. You have to spend time with them.
Exactly. You know, talking to someone who is only beautiful but has a bad vibe, it reminds me of eating plain white rice.
Wait, what? Plain white rice? What does that mean?
Yes, think about it. It looks clean, it looks nice on the plate, but you put it in your mouth and there is zero flavor. It is completely boring. After 2 bites, you're looking around like, "Excuse me, I need some sauce. I need some chicken."
That is the funniest and cruelest example ever. But I understand you so well. A beautiful face with no personality is just flat. It gets boring very quickly.
Right. What about you, Lily? Have you ever met someone who maybe was not a movie star but had a really great vibe?
Oh, definitely. A few months ago, I went to a friend's birthday party. It was a big party with lots of people, and there was this guy, let us call him Sam.
Okay, Sam. Was Sam wearing a famous designer suit?
No, not at all. That is the point. At first, you would not really notice him. He was just wearing simple blue jeans and a plain gray t-shirt. He was not super tall, not super handsome, just a very regular, everyday guy.
Got it. A normal guy.
Exactly. But he had this amazing energy. He did not try to be the loudest person in the room. He did not try to make everyone look at him. He just had a very warm smile. When someone talked to him, he really listened. He made great eye contact, he laughed at people's jokes, and he just seemed so relaxed and happy to be there.
I love people like that. They do not try too hard. They are just naturally easy to be around.
Exactly. We have a great phrase for this. He was comfortable in his own skin. He accepted who he was. And you know what happened? By the end of the night, almost everyone was standing around him, talking and laughing. He became the most attractive person at the entire party.
See, that is real magic. That is the vibe. When you are comfortable in your own skin, you make other people feel comfortable too. That is the secret.
You know, Max, while we are talking about this, I just realized something crazy.
Oh? What is it?
This is exactly what it feels like to speak a foreign language.
Oh, wow. Yes, it is. Explain that to our listeners.
Think about it, guys. Many English learners try so hard to look perfect, just like people trying too hard to look beautiful. They want their grammar to be 100% perfect. They want their vocabulary to sound super smart. And because they want to be perfect, they get so tense. Their faces get stiff, their bodies freeze, and they completely forget to smile.
Oh my gosh, Lily. You are describing me when I tried to learn French in college.
Really? What happened? Tell us.
It was terrible. I was trying to order a simple sandwich in a bakery in Paris. The baker smiled and said hello to me. And instead of just saying hello back, I wanted to build this super complex, perfect French sentence in my head to impress him.
Oh no, you wanted to sound like a French poet.
Yes! I was thinking so hard about the grammar. I stopped breathing. My eyes were huge. My shoulders were up to my ears. I probably looked like I saw a ghost.
Oh, poor Max. Did you scare him?
I think I did. He looked at me and asked in English, "Are you okay? Do you need some water?" I was just trying to show off my grammar, but my vibe was completely terrifying.
This is such a great story because it is so true. Listeners, please remember this. Native speakers do not care if you say is when you should say are. They really do not.
We really do not. We just want to connect with you.
Exactly. What we do care about is your vibe. If you make a mistake, just smile. Take a deep breath. If you are relaxed and confident, the other person will feel relaxed too. That makes you so attractive and fun to talk to.
But wait, Lily. Some people might ask, if I act too confident when my English is not perfect, will people think I am showing off? Will I look arrogant?
That is a very great question. But remember, showing off and true confidence are very different things. Showing off is loud. It means you are trying to say, "Look at me, I am better than you."
Yeah, that usually makes people want to run away.
Exactly. But true confidence is quiet and gentle. True confidence simply says, "I am okay, and you are okay too. Let us just have a nice chat." It is friendly, it has no pressure.
I love that so much. I am okay and you are okay. That takes all the pressure away.
It really does. All right, Max, I think it is time.
Oh, I think you are right. Listeners, let us slow things down. It is time for our
Lily and Max together. Chill word tour.
This is our favorite part. This is where we pick a few super useful words from today's chat. We will explain them very simply, and you can practice speaking with us.
You do not need a pen and paper. Just sit back, relax, listen, and repeat with us gently. Ready, Max?
Ready. Word number 1, catch someone's eye.
To catch someone's eye means to get someone's attention because something is interesting or beautiful. For example, the beautiful girl in the coffee shop caught Max's eye.
Hey, it is true. Or another example. That shiny red car really caught my eye. Now, it is your turn. Take a breath and just repeat after me softly. Catch someone's eye. Catch someone's eye.
Beautiful. Word number 2, vibe or good vibe.
This is definitely my favorite word. A vibe is the feeling or the energy you get from a person or a place.
Exactly. For example, that new cafe has a really good vibe. It is so warm and cozy.
Or a bad vibe. I dropped my favorite ice cream on the floor today. Bad vibe. All right, repeat with us. Good vibe.
Good vibe. Great job, guys. Word number 3, chill.
To be chill means to be relaxed, easygoing, and not stressed at all.
For example, do not worry about your grammar mistakes today. Just be chill.
Or, my friend Sam is a very chill guy. Let us try it. Repeat after me. Chill. Chill.
Word number 4, show off.
To show off means to act in a way that tries to make other people admire you. Usually, it is a little bit annoying.
Yes, for example, he bought a very expensive watch just to show off to his friends. Let us practice. Repeat after me. Show off. Show off.
And our final phrase, number 5, comfortable in your own skin.
This is such a beautiful phrase. It means you accept yourself completely. You are happy with who you are, and you do not pretend to be someone else.
For example, she does not care about wearing perfect makeup every day. She is comfortable in her own skin.
This one is a little bit long, so let us do it slowly. Repeat with me. Comfortable in your own skin.
Comfortable in your own skin.
Fantastic. You guys did amazing today.
You really did. We are so proud of you for practicing with us.
Well, we have reached the end of today's episode. If we can give you one final thought to take away today, it is this. Beauty might open the door, but a good, relaxed vibe makes people want to stay.
And remember, the exact same thing goes for your English learning journey. Do not worry about being perfect. Just be chill, be friendly, and people will absolutely love talking to you. You are doing great.
If you enjoyed hanging out with your digital companions today, please give this video a like, and do not forget to subscribe to our channel. It really helps us make more content for you.
And please let us know in the comments. What is the most attractive thing to you? We read every single comment and we love hearing from you.
Thank you so much for spending your valuable time with us. Have a beautiful day, take care of yourselves, and keep smiling.
Bye guys. See you next time.
Bye!